Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Woodlawn housing scheme is a middle-income residential neighborhood ranking among the desirable neighborhoods of Mandeville. The demand for the property in this area is usually high due to its close proximity to NCU and the town of Mandeville. This particular lot is situated at one of the highest elevations within the scheme. This vantage point gives it a great view of other sections of the scheme. The building consists of a veranda, a living room, dining room, a back porch, kitchen, two bedrooms with closet, and two bathrooms. It has not been occupied for over 3 years, therefore, a little touch up here and there might be necessary for conversion into your dream home. The land area of this house is 8,789 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 15 million or US $97,400 to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.